video here, I'm making some end grain coasters. I started out by cutting small strips that I did off camera of cherry, walnut, and maple. Here I'm just lining them up into the pattern that they're going to be in before I glue them. I recently bought some Bessie clamps and they've been a game changer for glue ups. I definitely recommend them. After the glue dried, I ran into my crosscut sled. Just take off the ends a bit. Go to the bottom of each one just to make it easier for a nice and smooth surface. Didn't totally know how to cut 45-degree angle. I just used my speed square on my table saw sled and did it that way. It seemed to work just fine. Cut my small 45 pieces, my table saw, and I made a little bit of a mistake. I don't know if I'd recommend it, and I'm not sure how to do that next time. But gotta be careful using the table saws. Here I'm just gluing up the small pieces. I thought the coasters were a bit small, so I thought I'd put some trim around them. I'm just gluing that trim on here. That is definitely a tedious process. I don't remember exactly how many grits I went through, but you have to keep going through the grits just to get a nice smooth surface. I use polycrylic for the finish on these, and I found using this foam brush works really well. Just super light coats and several of them. It brings out the grain, makes it look good. I was pretty happy with the results. But I brushed and brushed and brushed just to make the coats as thin as possible though. These little cork bumpers I really like. I think they're pretty subtle looking. And that's it. That's what they look like. They're nice looking coasters. Hope you liked the video, and thanks for watching.